How to find hotels on kayak.com using map view. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome or any other browser and head over to kayak.com. Now in the home page, make sure you tap on the Stays tab, and here just put in your destination, just put in your visit date and the return date and the amount of room and guests, and hit search. Now a new page will pop up, and then you will get a list of hotel recommendations, and the map view will be on the right hand side. Now you can just pinch and then zoom in, and then just look for the hotel of your choice. So just tap on the one of your preference, and then it will show you the hotels of your choice. You can just tap on view deal. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.